Hey guys, Event Horizon today. Today we're going to be trying out a tech video. So today I have my hands on the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in the Mystic Bronze variant. So this phone is going to have a 6.9 AMOLED screen display. As you can see, here is the pen, just pops out right there, the S Pen. We're gonna have a Type-C charger right here, one speaker grill, power button right here, volume rocker right here, that huge camera bump. The phone gets a lot of criticism on the phone gap, but I mean, if you want a great camera, I mean, this is a beautiful camera, and as large as it is, I mean, they made it as nice as they could, taking the cue from the iPhone Pro Max with the rings around the camera. It definitely makes it look more premium, and then you're gonna have just a completely smooth left side. So the variant that I have is going to come with the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor with 12 gigabytes of RAM. I also have the 128 gigabyte variant. So with the back cameras, forgive me if I get the orders wrong, this is going to be 108 megapixel wide angle camera lens. This is going to be a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. And each one is going to do different things to make your photos look better. And here is the autofocus right there that they've added since the fiasco with the S20 earlier this year. And then on the front right here with the punch out, you can see it is a 10 megapixel front camera. The battery is going to be 4500 mAh, which is pretty big. And as far as weight, it's actually lighter than my Pro Max, which is what I have right now. Just very slightly, I can notice the difference on it. So I just want to give some hands-on with the phone, just show it off from some different angles for anybody who is thinking of purchasing it. Samsung is offering a trade-in credit, so if you have any other old Samsung devices from the S9 and newer, I believe, for the Samsung side, and I'm not sure what they are using for the iPhones, but you can get some credits on them. And if you were lucky enough to pre-order it, make sure you do redeem your $150 credit from Samsung. It does take 4 to 6 weeks for it to arrive, which is a bummer, but it's pretty cool. I believe pre-orders are now officially closed since the phone did launch today. But yeah, Event Horizon here, and I hope you guys have a great day. Catch you next time.